Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is a Turkish dish with the Indian touch. Yes, this is baklava but without nuts. So let's have a look into the ingredient list now. Our first ingredient is of course some phyllo pastry sheets, and these packets contain 20 sheets each. Next we need some khoya. I have a recipe of this khoya which you can view in the above link, or I'll add one in the description box below. Around 250 grams of salted butter. If you want, you can go in for the unsalted butter also. For the sugar syrup, we need 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. So the ratio is 2:1. So to start preparing our baklavas, we need to melt our butter first. I won't melt the whole butter at first. I'll go in for half of it initially and keep on adding as required. So we'll put this butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. And here is our melted butter. So we'll start off first by greasing the pan. Grease it well on all sides. And our pan is well greased, so we'll keep this aside and start with the phyllo pastries. So initially we'll start off by taking one sheet at a time. You have to be a bit careful because the sheets are really very thin. And here is my first sheet of phyllo pastry, and I'm going to butter it. After buttering it, we'll place another phyllo sheet on top of it like this, and again butter it well. Next we'll add in the khoya in a long strip in the middle. I'll be using my hands for it to spread it. And then the final step of folding it into rolls. And then we'll place it in the baking dish like this. This baking dish is perfect size for my phyllo pastries. Try to take a dish which would suit your sheet sizes, or you can cut them also according to the size of your dish. So I'll continue with the rest of the sheets and fill in the pan. So all my rolls are ready and placed in the oven, and I still have some butter left. So I'll pour it over the baklavas and spread them. And my baklavas are ready to go in the oven. I have preheated my oven for 5 minutes at 230 degrees centigrade. And now I'm going to place in the baklavas inside and set a timer for 30 minutes. If required, I'll add in more time. For the sugar syrup, we'll turn on the gas first and add in the water. Once the water comes to boil, we'll add in the sugar to it. My water has started coming to a boil. I'll add in the sugar now. Mix it well and let the sugar melt. As you can see, the sugar has melted. We are going to cook this syrup for another 4 to 5 minutes because we want a little bit of thickness in this syrup.
It's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, my sugar syrup has started turning a bit thick. At this point, we'll switch off the gas. We don't want any more thickness in it. And I'll add in a few drops of lime juice. Not too much, a few drops is enough. And the sugar syrup is ready. We'll let it cool down and then pour it on the baklava, which is baking in the oven. As you can see, my baklavas are ready. It is nice and brown in color. So we'll take it out. The first thing we'll do is make some cuts in our baklavas. You can hear the crunchiness. And now we'll pour in the sugar syrup. And you can hear the sizzling sound. It might look a lot of sugar syrup right now, but the baklavas will soak in the whole lot of the syrup. And you need to rest your baklavas for at least 30 minutes before serving. My baklavas have been sitting for around 30 minutes now, and it's ready. So we'll do the serving now. My baklavas are ready. It tastes delicious. And my friends who have nut allergy, try it this way. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And on that note, I'm going to end my video here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.